Well, public defenders from across the state converged in Tennessee this week for the annual Tennessee District Public Defenders Conference. Our own public defender, Steve Smith, was named president of the delegation. News 12's Andy Santoro has more about this election and what it means to serve the accused.
Public defenders represent those accused of a crime who are unable to afford legal assistance. Often accused of heinous, high-profile crimes, our country offers defendants a unique opportunity to speak out.
All people, even people who cannot afford it, have the right, the constitutional right, to be represented when they're accused of crimes. That's a pillar of the American Constitution.
It's this higher purpose that public defenders say motivates them despite lower pay than private sector attorneys.
That client needs to have the kinds of advice that a wealthy person would have or that a middle class person would have. And so the system only works when every part of it works.
Hamilton County's public defender Steve Smith was elected president of the Tennessee Public Defenders Conference in Chattanooga this week, a role he will serve for 1 year. The conference is comprised of defenders from every district in the state who elected Smith.
He's been around for long enough to understand what we do. He's passionate about it, but he's also new enough where he's got some new ideas for us, I think. Steve's very involved with the legislature, and we're hoping that we can basically get more resources.
Smith will work with legislators on policy decisions. There are 20 assistant public defenders that serve under Smith in Hamilton County. Tennessee and Florida are the only states in the country that elect public defenders. That term lasts for 8 years. In Chattanooga, Andy Santoro, News 12 Now.